Welcome to Astrology Reiki. Here we dive deep into your zodiac sign each month, exploring current trends and offering tailored, free guided meditations. As a dedicated astrology and Reiki practitioner, I aim to provide a peaceful and spiritually uplifting experience for you. Today we are focusing on Leo. Leo's best quality for shadow work is their innate courage and confidence. As natural-born leaders, Leos possess a boldness that allows them to face difficult emotions and confront their shadow aspects head-on. Their strong sense of self can help them embrace vulnerability, while their big-heartedness encourages deep self-compassion, making it easier for them to integrate their shadow and heal. Shadow work involves acknowledging and integrating the parts of yourself that you might suppress or deny, often out of fear or discomfort. For Leo, this process may revolve around themes of ego, control, and vulnerability. Here are some best practices for you to approach shadow work. You can ask or journal with these questions. Where am I overcompensating to feel important or validated? What am I afraid to show others about myself? Where do I need to release control and trust others? Focus on releasing the need for validation or control. This could be powerful meditation, or you can make a fire ritual. Here's how. Write down any controlling aspects that you're holding on to, then burn the paper in a safe space. Visualizing those aspects being released from your solar plexus. By facing your shadow, Leo, you'll not only strengthen your self-awareness, but also deepen your emotional and spiritual growth. The Sun, Leo's ruling planet, spends most of November 2024 in Scorpio, highlighting your fourth house of home, family, and inner emotions. This brings a strong focus on family relationships and emotional foundations. You may feel drawn to reconnect with family, renovate your living space, or explore deep emotional issues from the past. There could also be a desire for solitude and introspection. Venus transits through your fifth house of creativity, romance, and self-expression for most of the month, which is perfect for Leos. This brings a burst of playful, adventurous energy, making you feel more romantic, fun-loving, and inspired to create. If you're single, this is a great time to meet new people, while those in relationships might find their bond deepening through shared creative or fun activities. The full moon in Taurus on November 15th lights up your 10th house of career and public image. This brings culmination or recognition in your professional life. You may experience the results of your hard work, possibly leading to a promotion, public acknowledgement, or a significant career milestone. However, full moons can also bring endings, so some Leos might find themselves closing a chapter in their professional life to make way for new opportunities. In today's Reiki session, we will do an energy cleansing so you can dive easier in your subconscious, and then we will open the crown chakra to receive the intuitive messages that rise during November, helping you to do your shadow work and letting go of the past. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you can relax. Lie on your back or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. On the third breath, exhale all the air out of your lungs using your abdominal muscles. Then breathe at your own pace. Place your hands relaxed next to your body. Give permission in your mind to receive Reiki treatment for your highest good, and for me to treat your energy, body, and chakras. Let's begin the treatment with an opening prayer. Dear Creator of humanity, help me to open myself to the flow of Reiki energy and guide it in the best possible way. I ask that you help me to receive Reiki energy with an open mind and open heart, and to remove from me all negative thoughts, feelings, and energies that prevent me from healing. Use me as your channel to heal myself and all those I touch in this energetic field. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will now place my hands above your lower abdomen. As the Reiki energy flows, you may experience sensations of warmth, tingling, coolness, or other subtle feelings. These sensations are indications that the Reiki energy is working. If you don't feel anything, it might be that you need to strengthen your body-mind connection. During energy clearing, the mind becomes calmer, and after treatment, thoughts often seem to flow more easily. It also becomes easier to hear inner messages, intuition strengthens, and you hear your body's own messages better. When energy flows more easily again, listen to your cravings. Do you feel like wearing a certain color, or do you feel like a certain food? The body usually communicates with us through positive cravings and bodily sensations. And by listening to these, we can better balance the mind and body. I will now give you a moment of relaxation to focus on your body and go through your body from head to toe, thinking that you are emptying it of all the energy that has become unnecessary to you in this moment. Now that the body is empty of unnecessary energy, we will empower your crown chakra so that you can more easily hear the messages that are important to you in this moment. I will now place my hands on your crown. You may soon feel a tingling sensation in your scalp or hair. The crown chakra, also known as Sahasrara, is the seventh major chakra located just above the crown of the head. It is associated with our higher self, spirituality, and enlightenment. The crown chakra is the center of intuitive power and our gateway to the spiritual world and higher knowledge. As the crown chakra strengthens, you will also hear your higher self more easily, who can guide you to your next step. I will now give you a moment of relaxation to focus on your own crown chakra and imagine it strengthening and expanding. If you currently feel like you don't know which direction you want to go next in your life, you can ask for help in your mind in this state of relaxation. The answer may come in a dream, an advertisement, or someone else's speech. So pay close attention to how you frame your question, what you need help with, and let your higher self answer you in the way it chooses. You can also thank them in advance, because the answer is already on its way to you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and wiggle your toes to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Thank you for attending my energy healing session. I hope it was a relaxing and enjoyable experience for you. It is important to remember that all of these experiences are unique and individual. It is important to listen to your own intuition and do what feels right for you. Reiki, meditation, and therapy can all be helpful tools for subconscious processing and spiritual growth. Thank you for being on this spiritual journey with me. If you would like to share your own experiences or leave a comment, please feel free to do so in the comments section. I would greatly appreciate it if you would like this video, and if you would like to receive a monthly Reiki treatment that matches the astrological theme of your horoscope, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, do well.